So last winter, while I was putting some gear inside my roof box, the back end just suddenly collapsed on itself.
Turns out, one of the lid lifters had snapped off.
So today, I'm going to show you how to fix your broken lid lifter on your Thule roof box. Let's go right to it.
First, we're gonna find a lid lifter that fits our box. In my case, the part number is 14933 for a Thule Pulse L model. I advise not to go with knockoff brands. Most of them don't install properly, such as these ones which cannot swivel, which is crucial in Thule roof boxes due to how the lid is curved. Before we start installing, make sure to wear some gloves for your own safety. Insert your key, turn to unlock, and open the roof box. Any side will work. Next, support the side with the broken lid lifter with a plank of wood. Let's first remove the broken lid lifter by swiveling it to its maximum range and then popping it off. Use a wire brush to clean the ball joint where the lid lifter will attach to. Repeat on the top side as well. To make things easier, we're going to be using a clamp to install the lid lifters onto the roof box. Starting on the bottom side, we're going to place a block of wood on the outside of the roof box to prevent any damage. While checking to see if everything is aligned, slowly tighten the clamp. You'll hear a sudden pop when the lid lifter seats into place. For the top lid, because my clamp can't quite reach the actual ball joint, I'm going to just tape some wooden blocks to the clamp itself to get me some extra leverage. Now with everything installed, open and close the roof box from both sides to ensure the roof box is functioning properly. Once everything checks out, install the roof box back onto your vehicle and you're all done. Make sure to check that there's enough clearance between the roof box and the trunk by opening the trunk fully and making sure that there's no accidental contact between the roof box and the trunk. Don't forget to tighten all the clamps and make sure that the roof box is firmly secured on your vehicle. It's always a good idea to know exactly how tall your car is with the roof box installed. Here I'm going to be using a straight edge ruler and a measuring tape from the ground to the ruler to kind of see exactly how tall the car is now. In my case, on the Crosstrek with the Pulse L Thule roof box, it's just over 2 meters tall. And now you've repaired your own Thule roof box. It's really convenient to be able to put your extra gear and have it protected against the elements. And if you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comments below. Thank you again, and subscribe for more content.